Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Apollo Actions automations for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentations. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up the app. Under the setup, here we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup, head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on Admin Settings, click on Integrations, scroll down and click on API. We click on Connect. Click on API Keys. You're going to click on Create New Key. You're going to enter the key name. Here you're going to give it a description. And here you're going to select an API to associate with a key. So we can select any one of your choice. Once you're done, click on Create API Key. As you can see, our API key has been successfully created. So we are going to view our API key. Then copy your API key, head over back to your account and paste your API key. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. Our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates and the changes of the app. In order to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you to get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.